Right. Here you have GKS dry knife sharpening 120 resin bonded diamond, and here you have 320 GKS also stone 320. This is I forgot I have sharpened a few knives on this 180, but this 320 is the first time I use it. It came I think it's last week. And I haven't had a chance to test it out yet. This is my concussion just now. Kind of my lapping fluid. Alright. Let's sharpen this. The knife that I'm going to sharpen today is, sorry, I bumped the camera. Spyderco Endura Wharncliffe K390. This is my user, my trusted user. Okay, you guys. For that, let's kill the edge first. Okay. Wharncliffe is quite easy to sharpen because on this straight line you just need to maintain your angle on the stone. Now this 120 is a beast of a stone. And just like that, I have a burr. Now I'm gonna sweep aside. Yep, I got a burr. Wow. Let me show you the sketch pattern. The burr is here. Okay, so this is a sketch pattern. Come on, camera. There you go. I'm gonna go one or two more passes before I switch over to the 320. Yep, very pronounced, bro. Okay, that's it. Very piece of stone. Set this one aside. And next is 320. Let's try this 320. This K390. Nice. The bird side, okay, good. I thought I already know the bird. I just like K390. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it just like this. Let's stop it. Let's use this edge for a couple of days. If I don't like it, I can always go back on the stone. Nice. Let's do some cutters. I know we are having a course patch, so this is a magazine. What do you call that? Kind of thick magazine paper. Got some burr here, but actually it is coarse and sharp enough to do a swirl cut. Probably on the thinner printer paper, it will get higher because the aggressiveness of the bite. Okay, but you can see the scratch pattern is quite significant and dirty. Feel on your hand, it feel like sawtooth, small tooth. But let's try this for a few days. So look, you're signing out.